of Electronic Engineering in Nanyang Institute of Technology. If you want to be an electrical engineer, you should pay your attention to my introduction. Then, I would like to introduce the location, history, feature, objectives, facilities of this department, and the career opportunity for the students. Now, I will tell you where they are. When you enter the gate, turn right. A parking lot of motorcycle is on your right. The building of electronic engineering is next to the parking lot. Actually, the building of electronic engineering is between the Department of Electrical Engineering and the parking lot. Let's get started. The Department of Electronic Engineering was set up in 1967. A 5-year program of junior college was established at that time. And in 2000, the department promoted to college program. After that, the 2-year program of college started in 2001. And 2002, they created 4-year program of college. Now, we are at fifth floor. I want to tell you the feature of this department. The department focuses on the development of engineering of electro-optical semiconductor and system and LSI. About electro-optical semiconductor engineering, the department put an emphasis on foundation of theory and ability of research and production of engineering of electro-optical semiconductor and practice prep. There is an electro-optical technology center in the department, which contains thin film fabrication lab, electronic material lab, test room, and electro-optical measurement lab to help their students involved in the combination of theory and practice. About system and LSI, to back the application of system of communication network and control on computer theory, and strengthen the design ability of LSI to realize system of computer on LSI. Now, I want to tell you their objectives. Their objectives is, in order to make Taiwan to be an island of technology, to develop Southern Taiwan Science Park, to upgrade the industry of Taiwan, and to cultivate the professionals of electronic engineering. With both theoretical and practical capacity, Department of Electronic and Technology provides their students with various electronic equipment, system design of electronic circuit, electronic fabrication, electronic test, and maintain ability of electronic product to achieve their goal of completion of the department. Now, we will give you an interview with the chair of the department. May will take it. Let's move to her.
Hello everyone, I'm the reporter of the interview May. Today we are glad to invite the chair of Department of Electronic Engineering, Chairman Ho. Could I offer a more easy question for you? I would like to know, how do you come to the campus every day?
I ride a bike to the school every day because I live in this neighborhood.
Could you tell us what event or demonstration which make you feel proud of most?
For our department, I feel there are 2 stories worth saying. The first story is about Electro-Optical Technology Center. Since the Ministry of Education granted about 20 million subsidy for 2 successive years, as a recognition of education achievement of the school. This helped us establish it.
Secondly, the graduates from the department are highly admired by employers.
What I want to express is that most alumnus of the department are inspired by industry.
I'm interested in, well, Is there any graduation requirement or certification for the students of your department?
There are two graduation requirements for the students currently. The first is that we require them to have certificates, and the second is that we put the emphasis on the cultivation of students' skills for practice. So, students need to take at least 2 practice classes in their curricula before they graduate from the school.
Well, could you explain the detail? What type of competition do the students of the department take part in?
Our students of the department would attend CSIDC, Computer Society International Design Competition, held by Ministry of Education. They take part in the competition of single-trip controlled robots.
Let's move to in addition to class. What activity do you encourage students to join?
I will encourage a student to participate in some club activities. Our department society are also very active in the campus. Through these extracurricular activities, students learn many things beyond class. It's very helpful for them to obtain employment in the future, as they will learn how to work with a team in these activities.
And could you give us an example of what type of community service they attend?
For instance, the cadre of the Academic Society of the department gave an activity to an elementary school located in the back countryside. With the activity, the cadre did not only both joyous to the kids in the school, but also grew up much for themselves. This really is a fantastic memory.
In addition to electronics major, what kind of activities do you like to join?
Generally, I love to be exposed to nature, so I like going climbing. Besides, I enjoy music and movies. Of course, I will read books which are not my profession.
Thank you, Dr. Ho, for interviews. Okay, let's transfer to Christina.
Thanks. 没简单的 call for the interviews. Their curriculum is divided into 2 groups. One is electro-optical semiconductor engineering, another system and LSI. In the program of electro-optical semiconductor engineering, the department offers computer-aided design, electromagnetism, semiconductor physics, electro-optical engineering, semiconductor fabrication technology, semiconductor fabrication experiment, semiconductor